The time now is it's 2:30 in the morning. It's 2:30 in the morning, and I am outside. I am outside. Most of the times, when people come where I'm working and they find me sitting, they always say, "No, your job is easy. You do nothing as a security officer, you just sit." It's now 2:30. You are sleeping. You're working hard since you claim you're working hard. You're working hard the whole day. Now it's 2:30 in the morning. You are sleeping. I am outside. I am chasing people that come to me, that come to my workplace trying to destroy. There are those guys, there are those criminals that says we are going there just to make the life of a security a living hell. I am outside looking for those people now. And then you come after that saying, security, umsebenzi wakho, you don't have umsebenzi, wara wara. Good people, it's very difficult to be a security officer. It's very difficult during the day. It's very difficult during the night. Whenever you come to work as a security officer, you say, "I am tired." They ask you, "What were you doing?" Because you were doing nothing. Now I am protecting this property. I'm protecting this place. And it's not an easy job to do. It's not an easy job to do because I have to protect it day in, day out, during the night, during the day. So it's not easy. So stop going around, stop going to all of these places, disrespecting security guards, saying they are useless, they don't know what they are doing. Good people, we are not doing this job just because we are bored. We are trying to provide food for our families. We are trying to provide, guys. This is what we're trying to do. I'm saying this in English so that it can be clear, it can be easy for everyone to understand. Good people, we were not just taken on the road and then we were hired. We have serious certificates. We are qualified to do this job. We are qualified. Security is wider than what you can see. And security, it's very risky. It's a very risky job. I'm standing here right now. These people come, 5 of them. I am alone. What's gonna happen to me? I'm gonna get hurt. The next moment, you're gonna say security is useless. These people are parked their cars outside. The first person, whenever something is wrong with the car, to ask is the security. That person that is coming to me and say you don't have a job, your job is useless. Whenever something wrong is happening with his car, the first person to ask is the security. So stop disrespecting security officers in these places that